Today we have the pleasure of having Mr. Paul Dwyer with us. He is co-owner and director of the beachfront, Dusit Thani. How are you today?
Good, thanks Peter. A little bit hot actually.
But what
Sweating.
event?
Sri Lanka's not made for suits.
What event did we just attend to?
Today, China State, basically official opening, if you like, of their construction of the superstructure. The piling and substructure had been completed, and we contracted China State, which is the world's largest construction company, and they've been here on site now for about 2 months and fully mobilised. And in that 2 months we've seen some really good work, very, very professional, but you'd expect that from the world's largest construction company. So they're actually now on site and they're about to pour the 4th slab. They actually do the formwork and the force work for the 4th slab, which should happen in around about 10 days.
Excellent. And I know the month of August is going to be really, really busy. What events do we have in line for the month of August?
Yeah, well, we're off to Dubai in 2 days. Yeah, so we're in Dubai. We're doing a sales function. We find that as a company, that works best for us. We digitally market to the Dubai market, and we roll up to Dusit Thani there. We do a presentation. Pete does most of the presentation. He does probably 85% of the presentation, and I do about 15% of the presentation. So for 15% of the presentation, it's a great presentation. And then from Dubai, we end up in Hong Kong, which is also another very good market for us, and we do a similar presentation. We've got some new products that we're putting together to try and finalise the sale of stage 1. We've done very, very well. We're about well over 60% now. We just want to try and push the rest of the product through so we can start marketing stage 3 or indeed Nikki Beach. And then I think we're off to Singapore, but that's September, yes?
Correct.
4th September. No, yes, 4th September. There you go.
So Dubai, July 31st, Hong Kong on the 21st of August, and the 4th of September in beautiful Singapore.
Yes, Singapore is a good market for us, yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Paul.
Thank you, Peter.
Pleasure being with you today.
No worries. Cheers.
We have the pleasure of having Mr. Choi today,
Yes.
project manager from China State Engineering Construction Company with us. How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks.
Can you please tell our viewers what progress has China State been doing in the last 30 days?
In last 30 days, the basement top slab have done.
Great. And for the month of August, what are we expecting?
The new slab will be completed.
Okay. And for this following month, how many workers are we expected to see on site?
There are 40 Chinese workers and 120 local workers.
Great.